A train can be seen usually in a train stations, but this time a train appears in shopping center. How this can be possible? How the train can fit in the shopping center where many people walk around? Well, this time the train is a small train that carry not many people and run with slow speed. There is a passenger stop where they can get off and get into the train. Here's the train coming in to the passenger stop. Many children already waiting for or to get into the train. And the train driver run the train with gently and with slow speed. And not forget to sound the horn to let people know that the train is passing by.